So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, we have the fuel gauge. And above that, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 25,473. Above that, you'll be able to see what gear the car is currently in. As it's an automatic, we're in P for park at the moment. You've got reverse, neutral drive, and sport all up there as well. You can also change the information displayed just beneath that for various bits of trip computer information by pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. We back out to the steering wheel. We have stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side here. The stereo itself is over in the center. So from here, you can pair up your phone. So if you hit that button, you'll see it now come up on there. When it comes to music in this car, we have the radio, of course, and you'll see that we've got DAB radio, as well as AM and FM as well. Every push of the radio button will take you round to a different radio frequency, back round to the beginning again. We've also got a CD player. We have auxiliary input, USB input, which you can see on the screen just there, and Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as being able to make and receive phone calls. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo, and the buttons I was using just a moment ago. We also have deadlocks, locking the car doors from the outside for you. And then below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, direction of the air, and temperature. When you're happy with all of those settings, this button turns your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. You can turn that off as easily as you turned it on, with a rear heated screen and a proper heated front screen as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The button on the side of that will change up and down a gear manually should you wish to use that. We have a 12-volt charging socket, auxiliary and USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.